1 spoon, sugar 1 spoon, water 1 spoon. Yes, we will see. And then I try like this. You know, when you do this one, like this way, because on the top is this one like this, you know, this way. When you use water, little bit warm water is better. And then you have to shake over 400 times. Then, in my opinion, 400 times no change color. And then over 400 times, I think this 1,000 times. People say that when you make it, your arm will be very, very tired, you know, like this. You know, like this, you know, like that. And then will be change color slowly. Yes. Please don't counting how many times. You just look at this coffee change a little bit brown color. Do you know? Ah, nice coffee smell. Yes, Korea. This is popular, very popular now. Yes, now 100 times. Wow. Yes, over 100. My hand is very, very sore. Yes. Now it's yes. Do it more. Ah, really nice. Ah, really very nice. Slowly, yes. Very interesting. So who did this one? And you use a little bit this way, you know, and then come here and then okay. Wow, my hand is very sore. Oh, who did this one? Ah, really nice, huh? Yes, very nice. I think a very good idea. Wow, not so easy. I think this nearly 600 times I did. My hand is very, very sore.
Wow!
Nice. 이럴 줄 알았어. This machine did is amazing. Wow. Looks very, very delicious. You know, like a cream. Very surprised. Very nice. Wow. So nice. Oh, really? It's amazing, this one, really. Yes, this is this with hand, you know, over 400 times. This is a machine did. This with hand did is not so easy, you know, like this.